Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to install YouTube TV on a Samsung Frame TV, explained clearly and step by step, so you can start watching live TV and on-demand content on your Frame TV. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Frame TV and connect to the internet. Make sure your Samsung Frame TV is powered on, connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and signed in to your Samsung account. Step 2. Open the Samsung Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub menu. Step 3. Go to the Apps section. From Smart Hub, navigate to Apps and open the Samsung App Store. Step 4. Search for YouTube TV. Look for the official YouTube TV app in the search results. Step 5. Install the YouTube TV app. Select the app and choose Install. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your Samsung Frame TV. Step 6. Launch YouTube TV. Once installed, return to Smart Hub and open YouTube TV from your apps list. Step 7. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. This usually involves visiting the activation link shown on your TV using your phone or computer and entering the code. Step 8. Start watching on Samsung Frame TV. After signing in, you can browse live channels, record shows, and watch on-demand content directly on your Frame TV. You're now ready to enjoy YouTube TV on your Samsung Frame TV. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy, step-by-step smart TV and streaming guides.